Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we will be showing you how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook on Android. Being tagged in posts and photos on Facebook can sometimes be overwhelming and can lead to privacy concerns. Fortunately, Facebook provides options that allow you to control who can tag you and what content you're tagged in. So let's dive right in. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your Android device and access your account. Then, tap the menu tab located on the right side of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap the Settings and Privacy option. Next, tap on Settings and then select Profile and Tagging. Under the Tagging option, you will see who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile. Choose a suitable option that works for you depending on your privacy preferences. If you prefer to have more control over what appears on your profile, scroll down to the Reviewing section. Here, tap on Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. This will allow you to review any post or photo that you're tagged in before it appears on your profile. Finally, enable the Review Posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile toggle by tapping on it. This will give you the ability to approve or reject any tags before they appear on your profile. And that's it. You now have complete control over who can tag you and what content you're tagged in on Facebook on Android. Remember, it's important to take control of your privacy and set boundaries that work for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to navigate the digital world. Thanks for watching.